quick update on the Nasdaq 100 heading into the weekend. Currently we have price sandwiched between the 200 SMA and EMA going into the close. There's a link in the description box for those that want to know more about the difference between the SMA and the EMA. The 200-day SMA, simple moving average, sits at 13,558, which was tested yesterday, as can be seen in the daily chart here. Getting above this level will be the key hurdle for any further upside. Firstly, a quick recap from earlier in the week. I mentioned in the last video that if we closed above the 13,050 to 70 support level, we would continue to see further upside. That's exactly what has happened this week. And on Monday, price hit our first resistance level of 13,400. However, price pulled back after this headline where Nvidia warned of revenue slowing down. The dip you see here on Tuesday, yep, another chip maker warning on revenue, this time Micron Technology, citing challenging memory chip conditions. Then we had the main event on Wednesday, US CPI for July, which came in below estimates at 8.5%. This was the trigger for price to break through the 200-day EMA at 13,253. The drop in CPI from 9.1% from the prior month was driven by a drop in energy prices, which can be seen in the crude oil chart here. You can see here WTI peaked on the 8th of June before collapsing. Since then, price broke down below this key 110 area and is now trading below its 200-day moving average. It is likely we'll continue to see some further downside in oil, with the next major support level around 83.40 to 80, which could see CPI fall further. Core CPI, however, remains steady at 5.9% when stripping out food and energy prices, though this also came in below estimates of 6.1%. Now going back to the Nasdaq 100, so the CPI number triggered the rally on Wednesday, and then we had producer prices the following day which also fell, setting up for price to jump to test the 200-day simple moving average. Price rejected and reversed lower, which is where we're heading into the weekend. In terms of levels to watch going into the weekend and next week, the 200-day simple moving average is the key. We are at a key turning point here. If price gets above 13,558, we could be looking at another leg up with 13,710 followed by 14,440. However, as long as price remains capped at the 200-day, a pullback remains the most likely outcome, with downside support levels 13,253 and 13,050 to 70. Keep a close eye on that 200-day moving average going into the weekend. With that said, thank you for watching, and do hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content, and I'll see you at the next one.